Hello, with me today I have Thomas McMahon, Investment Trust Research Manager at Kepler Trust Intelligence. Hi Thomas.
Hi Lee.
Scottish Mortgage remains one of the most popular and widely owned investment trusts. 2022 was a tough year, 2023 hasn't been any better. So what's needed to trigger a sustainable improvement in share price, and could that happen in 2024?
So I think that Scottish Mortgage's portfolio has got a lot of it's extremely active versus a global benchmark, and it's got a lot of very idiosyncratic situations in it. So probably what the portfolio really needs is some good news and some good results for some certain specific companies in their portfolio. I think that's going to be more meaningful than a growth versus value type rally, which I don't think is going to quite hit the spot anymore. So if you think about the Scottish Mortgage portfolio, it has companies like ByteDance, which owns TikTok, a very politically debatable, controversial company in the middle of the Chinese and US trade and political confrontation. It's got Tesla, which is a bit of an enigma. How is it going to handle the growing competition in electric vehicles? It's got space exploration. SpaceX, very it's unlisted. It maybe made a small profit in the first quarter, but not a lot of information. Possibly just losing money, and as a pioneer. So there's lots of idiosyncratic situations. One thing that's coming up that is the rumoured IPO of Northvolt. It's just a rumour at the moment that the company is considering an IPO next year. It's Europe's leading electric vehicle battery manufacturer. So if you were to get, say, a very strong IPO price for this unlisted investment, which Scottish Mortgage and a number of Baillie Gifford funds hold, that could not only have obviously good effect on the NAV, but it might bring some confidence back to the private market valuations. Because if there's anything systemic that is affecting Scottish Mortgage at the moment, it's probably wariness about the 30% of the portfolio that's in unlisteds. There's still a lot of wariness about valuations, and so maybe something significant like a large IPO could change sentiment there. So I think that's probably more the sort of thing that we need to look for. And could it happen? Absolutely, it could happen. But yeah, I don't know what will happen next year, unfortunately.
Fingers crossed. Thank you. Thomas McMahon, Investment Trust Research Manager at Kepler Trust Intelligence. Thanks very much for joining me today.
It's a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. And make sure you subscribe to the Interactive Investor YouTube channel.